This is a segment called Kids Who Are Smarter Than You. All right, this is the story of a child named Georgia Hutchinson. She is a teenager and she realized that there's a lot to be gained by using solar energy. It's renewable, it's not a fossil fuel, it doesn't pollute. And solar panels are very, very cool, but they're also expensive. And when you buy one, it takes a long time to generate enough electricity to actually pay for the investment. And she was like, oh, I need a better solution. I think I can do it. There had been certain solar panels that follow the sun throughout the day, but they were very expensive. So she said, according to this report from the Good News Network, Georgia Hutchinson's experiment is built on this simple premise. If a solar panel is able to follow the sun at all times, then they can generate more electricity. The more electricity they generate, the faster they can pay off their purchase costs and utility bills. And she invented this new system that basically just is essentially a timer that knows where the sun's gonna be and when, and it follows the sun. And in the Bay Area where she lives, data-driven dual-access solar trackers could reduce the payback period of solar by up to 40%. And she won $25,000 for this science experiment. And it's really awesome, so that's great. And when I saw this story, I was like, when I was a teenager, I did not do anything remotely that important. Like when you were a teenager, were you doing anything as cool as that?
No, definitely not.
Yeah.
I was not.
No. What were you doing as a teenager?
What was I doing as a teenager? Probably, I had a crush on a girl for 6 years.
Really?
So I was very involved with like all this like stuff, and I was also on like the school council thing. So I was very involved with like all these projects. I always loved to put stuff together, like activities and stuff. So yeah, my teenager life was just basically like boring, studying and like. Wait, I'm gay, by the way.
Yeah, so you had a crush on
but I had a crush on a girl because at that moment it's just like the emotional part.
Do you like apps like me? The best app out there is the TYT Plus app, and it's available right now on iOS and Android. Download to get more TYT content at tyt.com/app. Oh, app. APP. It's app. My bad.